in the lip.
Oh, right in the lip, eh? Oh, so
Just kept
sweet.
going,
Oh.
he popped out just before I did.
Yeah, I got it in the face. That's how I got shot. And how was your kill shot?
Good. Contra got me, like, probably right there.
Oh, right in the leg, eh?
But, like, in the claw.
Oh, in the claw. Just got a snag shot. Pepin, how was your kill shot?
I don't even know if I killed anybody. Sprayed over to that corner and tried to hold it down, but I don't think I got anybody. I got the kneecap underneath the freaking welder.
Oh. What about you? Where'd you get shot at? Oh, right in the Adam's apple. Gotta love that. What about you, brother? Headshot?
Chest shot.
Chest shot. Oh, nice.
Yeah, I was over there. I saw the guy go behind the semi-trailer, and I was aiming. He laid down. I was like, boom, 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 boom.
Ah, lovely. Well, thank you very much, gents. This has been another round of Kill Shot.